Have you ever found yourself comparing yourself to others and feeling behind or not good enough? Well, my goddess friend, after watching today's video, you will be able to gain the skill of not comparing yourself to others and start living your best life in 2025, filled with true joy, happiness, and beauty. Hello, my beautiful friend. Welcome back to Otakucha Life. I am Mana, and on this channel, we learn how to be more beautiful, elegant, and healthy from the inside out. And also, you will be able to discover your true self. This is a topic I am so passionate about, and I have a whole course for this. If you were interested in, please check it out. Today's video is all about elegant mindset and how to stop comparing yourself to others. As a model, I used to compare a lot, especially for the beginning of my career, but now, never. And if you have those skills that I am going to introduce to you, I am sure you will feel so much better through freedom, happiness, and joy. I am going to share 5 elegant practical tips. Let's begin. The first tip to stop comparing yourself to others is to stop looking at SNS for a while. This is very simple, but it's the most effective tip. SNS can be great if you are learning something very specific knowledge, such as learning beautiful mindset, new languages, healthy recipes, and sewing, which I love. But have you ever noticed that when it comes to seeing your closer friends and people's information, especially similar age or in the same industry, it's so easy to get caught in comparison mode. When I first started my modeling career, I used to mindlessly and unconsciously see and check my modeling friends' information, and I often felt energy taking. Can you relate? Especially for modeling, it's so easy to compare and see who got a job from the casting. It was very unnecessary information for my life that I know now. Did you know that Instagram story is actually not what you were looking for intentionally and specifically? It's designed to make you feel curious and want to see, so it becomes more like reactive mode as well. I know it's not easy to stop looking at your phone, especially for the SNS for the first time when you are used to check your phone. That's why I created this workshop. If you haven't already, please do check, and it has the worksheet to go through your emotions and feeling as well. Once you practice stop looking at your phone over and over again, you will master it and you will feel so much better and true freedom. First, you can try a social media detox for a week. During this time, you can just focus on yourself. Journal about what kind of skills you want to learn and master in this year, or even in your life, and just do something that makes you truly happy. The second tip to stop comparing yourself to others is to focus on your dreams and your perfect timeline. Years ago, I found a poem that completely changed my perspective, and I would love to share it with you. Especially as a model, I was constantly told that I needed to be a certain age to be successful, and that's whole another topic I would love to cover in the future. But this poem will change your life, and I am going to read it for you. New York is 3 hours ahead of California, but it does not mean that California is slow or that New York is fast. Both are working based on their own time zone. Someone is still single, Someone got married and waited 10 years before having a child. There is another who had a baby within a year of marriage. Someone graduated at the age of 22, yet waited 5 years before securing a good job. And there's another who graduated at 27 and secured employment immediately. Someone became CEO at 25 and died at 50, while another became a CEO at 50 and lived to 90 years. Everyone works based on their time zone. People can have things worked out only according to their pace. Walk in your time zone. Your colleagues, friends, younger ones might seem to go ahead of you. Maybe some might seem behind you. Don't envy them or mock them. It's their time zone. You are in yours. Hold on, be strong, and stay true to yourself. All things shall work together for your good. You are not late, you are not early, you are very much on time. You are in your time zone. Life is about waiting for the right moment to act. So relax, you are not early, you are not late, you are very much on time. How do you feel now? Whenever you feel like comparing yourself to others, screenshot this and remember this. The third tip to stop comparing yourself to others is to develop your own vision with the discipline to focus on yourself. It is said that comparison often comes from a lack of focus on your own goals. We all know that comparison does not help us and energy taking. The most important thing you must do in your life is to find your own true vision, mission, and purpose in your life, and take action towards them every single day. Once you find them, you have no time to compare yourself to others. Whenever you find yourself in comparison mode, you can always ask yourself, what are the consequences of being in this comparison? What am I gaining from this? Instead, what do I truly want to be, do, have, create, and experience in my one and only precious life? As a human beings, we are designed to avoid discomfort and seek pleasure. At first, focusing on yourself and discovering your true vision, mission, and purpose in your life feels so intimidating or daunting and feel like hard to focus on because it requires a lot of energy. And it is easy to see others, but for the long-term fulfillment in your life comes from knowing your true self with massive self-love. If you keep practicing and asking yourself in a journal and take the time for yourself, you will find something that you are really interested in and take actions little by little with real experiences and experiment. You will find the true vision, mission, and purpose in your life that you want to master in your life. And I promise you, it is the most fulfilling feeling. Let's develop the discipline to focus on yourself and vision, not others. Of course, if you need any personal guidance for discovering more of yourself, please feel free to contact me. I'm so happy to help you. The first tip to stop comparing yourself to others is to always remember it's always working out perfectly. It is always the perfect time to start something you truly love. Similar to second tip, have you ever said to yourself that too young, too old, too early, or too late? But my goddess friend, compared to what? Age is just a number, and do you know the fact of the age is? Drum roll. It is how many years you are on this earth or planet. That's it. Don't we love the people who are over 70s and thriving? It is so fun and inspiring to see them. In terms of age and health, we are actually not designed to be sick or unwell as we age. We are perfectly designed to be happy, healthy, vibrant, and full of energy with having a beautiful mindset and living the healthy life. I believe that the 30s, 40s, 50s are just getting started. We have a long way to go. You don't have to focus on the certain age number. Let's just focus on what's important and essential in your life. Things that truly makes you happy, fulfilled, energized, and beautiful. For the final tip, I would love to give you the truth. You are one and only special being on this planet. There is no you before you are born and after you are gone. Everything is happening for you to be the best version of yourself and to reach the final destination of your vision, dreams, and goals. So let's keep focusing on what you want to create and experience in your life and who you want to be as a lady. You have your own unique style, taste, and preferences that no one has. No one else in the world has your unique experiences, your special talents, and your own beautiful perspective. Everything in life is happening for you to help you become the most beautiful, authentic, fulfilled version of yourself. Let's forget about all the shit we've learned from school, society, or culture that we somehow learned when to get married, to have a child by a certain age, or even reach certain milestones by a certain age. Instead of comparing yourself to others, I am sure we all know there is no point in doing it at all when you realize that everyone's journey is completely individual and different. Let's celebrate your special and unique gifts and talents every single day. Life and yourself is the gift my goddess friend. Especially in today's digital world or a lack of developing focus on yourself, it is very easy to compare yourself to others. But when you turn off all the noise and go inside, you will find your own special and unique path. And once you follow your heart, there is no time to compare because you are the one and only special being on this planet. You have your own special life. Once you truly believe and own the thought that everything is happening for you in perfect timing and order, you will be unstoppable. If you are ready to discover more of your true self through vision, mission, and purpose in your life, please keep watching other elegant mindset videos. And don't forget to check out the best course on how to be your true self. This simple yet super effective tool will change your life completely. And if you love today's video, you can always visit my website for a blog post version so that you can screenshot and remind yourself every single day. I hope today's video was very helpful to you. What was your biggest takeaway from today's video? Please share with me in the comment section. I am always so happy and grateful to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Until next time, stay happy and have a joyful day, my goddess friend.